In today's video, I want to share with you my passive trades and why I decided to add it to my portfolio of massive passive wealth platforms. If you are new here, it would really mean the world to me if you click on the subscribe button below and become part of our community. And be sure to also click on the notification bell to be notified of my latest uploads. Also, a quick reminder that I am not a financial advisor. Do not invest based on my own decisions presented in this video. I'm simply sharing my journey with you in hopes that it helps you if you decide to do the same journey. It's so important that you do your own research and that you make your own decisions based on that research that you've done. Everybody's situation is different. It depends on how much you can invest, whether you should invest at all. Honestly, if you're looking to make money on your money that you need for rent or food or anything else like that, you shouldn't be investing in these platforms. If you have some fun money that you would play on a lottery, then I would say go for it. We don't know how long these platforms are going to be around. They could be around for years or they could be around for a few months. We never know. So it is technically gambling in a sense. So please be wise with whatever you do decide to invest. I have to be honest, with my passive trades, I've kind of been slacking. I did open an account, but I just let it be for a while. But with my passive trades, I wanted to go ahead and show those of you who may not be in it and are thinking of getting in it or want to get in it on how to actually deposit funds. So you have to go to my wallet here. When you click on that, you get three options. You go to deposit money and it brings you to this screen. So you'll say how much you want to deposit. So say you want to deposit $25. I always do a small amount to start off just to make sure that transaction goes through okay and you don't lose a large amount of money just by trying out the platform. Now there's many people that have been in this platform for months now, I believe 7 months now, and it's been paying them and they've been reinvesting, buying more ad packs, so it seems to be working out really well for them. So let's do a $25 deposit. So the only choice that you have here is Bitcoin, so we'll select Bitcoin and we'll say fund account. That then takes you to this confirm payment screen. I want to say confirm payment, and that will give me the details of what I need to send and where. So I'm going to send Bitcoin, and this is done through Coin Payments. And Coin Payments is actually like a middleman. It's one of the most popular cryptocurrency payment processing services amongst business owners around the world. And they do accept quite a few different cryptocurrencies. There is a slight fee, but it's a good way to manage transactions with cryptocurrency if you're a business owner. All you have to do is put in your email address, and I personally just put in a fake first and last name. You click on complete checkout, and this is giving you an address to send that money to. Again, I always like to check the first few digits of this number and the last few digits of this address just to make sure that somehow there hasn't been a software installed on my computer that can change this up and send my funds over to another address. So I'm going to send over this much BTC, copy that, go over to my wallet, paste that amount, and just do a few more checks. Everything looks good. Yeah, and I'm going to send that over. So I'm sending over $25.01. So obviously it's either a slight fee or the price of BTC changed slightly. So that has been sent from my wallet. Now it's just a matter of waiting here. You should also get an email from Coins Payments confirming that your payment has been submitted. And here we go, been paid. So we can get out of this screen and go back to my passive trades. So it's having me log in again, and just know that every time you log in, you have to wait for these few seconds to pass, and then you can skip this ad that's playing. And we'll learn more about that as we get into this program. But basically you get so many points that you can put towards advertising, and that's what someone has done here. But when we log in, we're going to see an advertisement every time. We just have to wait those few seconds and then skip the ad. Okay, so I got a confirmation from Coin Payments, but my wallet still isn't showing the amount. I have a good feeling. Obviously it's going to show up here. It's just taking a little bit of time. The network might be a little slow today. But anyways, I really am fairly new to this, just getting my feet wet. Okay, so I'm just going to also refresh my screen here and see if the deposit has shown up. So still nothing yet. This 80 cents is actually from my good old man Beating Crypto for his deposit. That's a commission fee, or referral fee, I guess. So yeah, we're just waiting for that to show up, and then we can start investing in some trade packs. It looks like there's two options here. There's trading pack, which you earn 1.25% daily, and then there's also advertising that you can purchase. So I will definitely be looking into this to growing exposure. So while we were waiting, I actually did a little bit more research, and there's two ways in which you can invest with my passive trades. One is through passive trading plan, which is what I plan on showing you, and also the trading school matrix. The minimum amount to get started in this platform is $5 because each ad pack is $5. You'll earn an average of 1.25% daily, and there's no need to have any direct referrals, so there's no recruiting anybody in order to get anything. The daily withdrawals are a minimum of $10, and ad packs run for 120 days. So for instance, if you were to invest $100 into this platform, that would allow you to buy 20 ad packs, and those 20 ad packs would run for 120 days each, and your total return after those 120 days on all those ad packs in total, so that's your principal that you deposited and the return, in total you would receive back $150. So basically you're making $50 on your $100 investment after 120 days. Pretty sweet. Okay, that was about 20 minutes and my deposit has now shown up. So I have $28.80 in my wallet, and I'm going to go over and purchase an ad pack. So buy ad pack. I'm going to do 5. Going to select my Bitcoin balance and buy now. And it's easy as that. I have shares successfully purchased, which I will earn 1.25% on this daily. And I will, this package will expire once I reach 125%. So I'm definitely going to start taking some of my winnings from other platforms and recycling them into here, and we'll see where that goes. I'm excited about this one too. It almost seems too simple to be real, but I obviously was getting distracted with other platforms and I should have been focusing on this, but I'm in now. And next week I'll put in a little bit more. Thanks guys. That's it for today's video. Hope you enjoyed, and if you did, please be sure to hit the thumbs up and leave a comment. It really helps to grow the channel. Have a blessed day everyone, and until next time,